Oh, my soul is satisfied in you. There's not a single battle I can't lose. You're breaking every chain, now I can finally say, oh, my soul is satisfied. In the wreckage of my loneliest places, you're calling me and promising that regardless of my situation, you'll never leave. It gives me peace. Some keep searching forever, but I know there's nothing better, 'cause I am blessed beyond measure, even when it's hard to see. Oh, my soul is satisfied in you. There's not a single battle I can't lose. You're breaking every chain, now I can finally say, oh, my soul is satisfied. Oh, my soul is satisfied in you. You took my broken heart and made it new. You're breaking every chain, now I can finally say, oh, my soul is satisfied. When I'm with you, there's not a moment that's wasted. You take my heart with all its scars. When I get lost and I can't find my way out, there you are with open arms. I believe that you're working everything for my good. Oh, my soul is satisfied in you. There's not a single battle I can't lose. You're breaking every chain, now I can finally say, oh, my soul is satisfied. Oh, my soul is satisfied in you. You took my broken heart and made it new. You're breaking every chain, now I can finally say, oh, my soul is satisfied. Some keep searching forever, but I know there's nothing better, 'cause I am blessed beyond measure, even when it's hard to see. Even when it's hard to see.
The Transformation Place Radicals that aims to empower the next generation of leaders by inspiring them to discover their true identity, develop their talents and skills, and unleash their hidden potentials to become effective leaders in the area of their giftings. Transform Young Generation is committed to its vision to honor God and build a strong generation. Mission to progress in establishing the right culture and lifestyle through time-tested principles. Together, we transform.
I am Garfania, 6 years old, and at Ateneo de Davao University, Senior High.
I know you guys are very excited too because umulan man, umaraw, rain or shine, evening or rain. Kung ano mang weather, I know you guys are very updated and very excited for our TYG Get Connected because alam ko, nabitin kayo for last week, no? Kasi na-mention ng ating speaker, ng ating mga guest na meron silang 17 na ituturo sa atin techniques and wise advices for us to be wise in this sa ating teenage life. But before that, no, I would just like to say hi to everyone, especially andito physical. Hi guys. Woo! Walang energy. Charot lang. And hi also sa ating online viewers. I would like to say hi sa taga TYG North. Hi guys, nasa Zoom sila. Ayan. And I would also like to say hi to Jessica. Hi, Jessica from TYG. And hi also Ella Baluran. We welcome you guys and hopefully we can see each other live. No, nasa Zoom po kasi sila. So, of course, talaga maghihinder ang distance kasi connected pa rin tayo kahit online. And of course, baka bago ka or VIP ka na napadpad ka lang sa aming video, we want to say hi and hindi ka nagkamali in pressing this video. But before we proceed sa mga andito, mga solid TYGs natin, guys, you still have time to like and share this video para sabay-sabay kayong mag-connect, mag-share, and makarelate sa ating talk today. So before we officially start, I know you guys are very excited. Me too. No, excited ako mapakinggan yung mga experiences nila kasi ngayon guys, join forces. Talagang mabibigat yung mga natin ngayon, yung mga guests natin ngayon. Bigatin, dito sila basta-basta talaga. And we also would like to say thank you to our venue today, Monkey Bean Coffee Shop, for letting us borrow again their beautiful space. So they are located here at Central Park, Bangkal. Harap lang ng Adu, no, from 7-Eleven Kanto. So if you want to have chill time, they have food, they have coffee, so you may stay here. Ayan. And hindi ko na papatagalin pa because I know you guys are very, very excited to really hear the last, hopefully matapos nila ngayon because just to recap, our speaker shared 17 ways mistakes of a young people. So ngayon, bibigyan nila tayo ng ways to correct, 'di ba? Kasi mistakes nga, so dapat i-correct, 'di ba? And may naiwan pa silang bala for today, no? And let me welcome and let me introduce to you our two guest speakers. We have Engineer Jeremy Kinyal, ayan, the lion within for today. And we also have Miss Daisy Hangad, ayan. So you are very lucky guys kasi talagang join forces sila today, di ba?
Panagsalang niya.
Oh, panagsalang nilang duo guys. So we are, once in a lifetime daw. So this is really a good topic today, no? Kasi they are really the best person to ask mga ganito kasi napagdaanan na nila ito. So, share nila yung mga ginawa nila and how they overcome it. But before that, kasi baka may mga VIP tayo here, may mga first-timers, or baka ikaw mismo, you are first-timer. So, let us first recap. Kasi I mentioned, there are 17. So, nawawala naman, no? Ang dami ng 17. Sige, engineer, during yung session natin together, can you share, ano ba yung first seven ba yung na-discuss
First
mo?
7.
Share mo naman sa ating, baka may VIP tayo or new listener.
yeah.
Ano ba yung 7? Or rundown mo lang yung 7.
Sige, for the 17, mistakes of young people. Pero, I believe sa TYG na correct na ni siya.
Wow!
So, first, a life without purpose and vision. Second is lack of preparation. Third, poor decision making. Fourth, entertaining entanglements. Fifth, lack of mentors and good connections. Sixth, peer pressure. 7, failure to take responsibility. And Ate Days will continue.
So last week we also have I think 4. So sa continuation is mga mistakes of being sa mga young people is dishonoring parents. So again, if you want to have a long life, di ka gusto mamatay og sayo.
Yes.
No, you need to honor your parents. And number 9 is laziness and not paying attention. So I hope na address na nato ni tanan last week about the laziness and not paying attention to maximize every opportunities na moabot sa inyo ha. And lack of information and knowledge. Let's not be ignorant in our society today sa itong mga nakapalibot. And last week is lack of consistency. So in everything we do, we need to be consistent. And we will continue, no? Humanon jud na mo karon ang 17 para
Yes.
at least no graduate na jud ta and hopefully naka-take down notes mo ani. So I think ako mauna, no?
Yes.
So sige, magpadayon na ta kay limited lang ang ato ang time. So
Sige,
this is the
go.
12 point. The 12 point is trial and error life. Kisa diri makarelate nga naga-trial and error ta sa to ang life na naga ano ta ba ka ng naga-experiment. Ingana gani especially no sa mga teenagers, kuan kay sa ilaha ang kanang ang ilahang mind gani want to explore. Ingana but they don't know na mapahamak na di ay sila ana. So there are some mistakes are not reversible. Mo jud na imuhang always i-remember. Especially this is so common ha, wala ko ginapatamaan ani. Kana ganing sayo gani mag-uyab-uyab. Kunya early pregnancy.
Agay.
Common,
Ingana gani.
very common.
Very
talaga
common
siya.
ni siya. Even no sa mo ang time pa mga kanus-apa na siya nga 19 or unsa ba basta ka nang gusto ka mag-explore og relationship, gusto ka mag-explore og beyond unsay ginahimo sa relationship, ma-explore nimo sa may ginahimo sa mga couple nga happy man na sila and then it comes mag-result ang early pregnancy mo nang daghan kaayo karon ang mga broken marriages, daghan kaayo karon ang mga depressed nga mga children. It's because of
Abortion.
that. Yes, abortion, no, and grabe ang guilt nimo ana. Lifetime na siya. That's why no there are some mistakes na imong himuon na dili na nimo ma-reverse. And 13 is not redeeming the time. Kung baga, we are just wasting time. Dili na to kuan ang ato ang time nga right time ang atong himuon. Dili ka nang gina-waste lang nato siya ba. Gusto na to magwara-wara kung baga. Ingana gani.
Wild living.
Wild
ana.
living kanang party diri,
Yeah.
party dito.
Yeah.
Try og inom diri and so very sad gani kay kagabi ako'y nadungog no na naay naglayas sa ilang balay. I don't know asa to siya nga lugar, Manila siguro or something. 12 years old pa siya. Ang iyang gihimo sa iyang paglayas, nakig-inom siya, kapwa lang po niya minor and usay gihimo sa gigang rape siya. Then dili man na siya makasuhan kay because
Minor.
So kana siya ba na dili na nimo siya ma-redeem like what I have said
Yes.
kaganina ba na there are mistakes na dili na nimo ma-reverse,
Yeah.
dili na nimo mabawi. If dili na to i-redeem ang ato ang time right now, wala jud unsay kani anang ganang dili na jud nimo makuan ang imuhang mga mistakes.
Yeah.
If dili nimo bag-uhon ang imuhang lifestyle, imong mindset karon. And last point na ako ang i-share kay ang mag-continue na po dani isang ato ang engineer, no, poor recruitment and selection of association. Always jud namo ni ginabalik-balik na always choose right association. Always choose your friends. Always choose na ganing dili gani sila maging bad influence for you. Usahay man god tungod kay gusto ka ay gusto ko ani nga mga friends, di ba, kay cool. Ing ana gani unya kay gusto jud nimo nga buhaton jud nimo unsa lang ginahimo na out of your will hantod sa maging lifestyle na nimo siya. So poor kaayo tag mga ingana kay ato ang ginatanaw is ang status, unsay tanaw sa tua, ana buhaton nimo tanan para maging
Peer pressure.
Fame.
Appeal na siya sa peer pressure, appeal na pud na siya sa fame, no, kung mag-concert ang mga BTS ba na, Blackpink, wala kay ikabuga.
Mangita
Gusto
jud
jud
way.
mangita jud kag way, no?
No,
Anong dili
sana
na lang dili
all.
sa TYG mangita og way.
Yes. Ngano?
So ingana gani siya. So I hope na take down notes to ninyo and ma-assess ninyo ang inyong self. And no, si Engineer Jemay ang mag-continue sa last 3 points sa 17 mistakes.
Wow, parang
Okay, wow.
go.
Pinaspasay
Sige.
day.
Oo.
Pinasasay na
Mabilisan.
na ta. Anyways,
Sige.
okay pa ba ang TYG dire?
Gets,
Ganun ba?
gets pa
Ah,
ninyo?
gets
Kay
na
mo
gets?
hilom kaayo mo.
gani.
Kung namoy question,
Ay,
okay na
teka
dyan
na,
may
sakit
interrupt.
manggo daw maigo.
Hilom na
Ma-
Hilom na lang.
Ganyan talaga, pero at least may nag-correct. Kaysa
Yes.
wala, kasi you cannot, you cannot redeem your time.
That's
Kaysa
right.
naman, hindi siya dumaan, di ba, mag-blame ka pa. Hindi kasi ito tinuro sa akin and everything.
Yeah.
Ngayon, wala ka nang mabe-blame.
Yes.
Kasi
alam mo na.
dumaan siya sa ears mo.
Stop,
Sige.
stop blaming.
Yeah.
This is also
oo.
one of our way in taking care of our next generation sa inyo, ha? Nga, dili na bitaw ninyo agian ang mistakes na mong naagian before.
That's right.
So, no, paminaw na lang mo.
Dili
May
na
choice.
wala palugayon.
so, ang,
Oh, sa mga naadiri, wala mo choice.
Yes.
Paminaw mo.
but this is for your good, Jud ay. So, number 15, following the picture but not the writing. So, explain ako ni siya. Pag nakay nakitaan na successful na person, for example, naging nasikat dayon siya, naging famous dayon siya, kanang tanan niya buhaton kay imong i-follow pero wala nimo gistudihan, giunsa niya na kay kabalo baya tano most of the people na naging successful niagi jud og hardship. That's
Niagi
why
brokenness.
yes, niagi og brokenness. Ayaw dayon mo og diretso nga dugaya po na ako ma-successful. Uy, ayaw pagdali. Na kay process na agian. So it's very important that you have a plan for your life. No, importante kayo as young as you are right now, plan out your life. What do you want to happen in your life 5 years from now, 10 years from now? You need to be serious about this because if you will not plan for your life, other people will plan your time and your life. 'Di ba? Kung wala ka kabantay ka nang wala kay buhaton today nya, invite dayon ka at
Go dayon.
'di ba? Go dayon ka, wala man kay plano sa imong day. So inana po no, if you wanna be successful, write your plan and write your story. How will you become successful in the future? So this is not just about kanang having a lot of money, having cars, having houses. Appeal na na siya pero
Add-ons.
add-on na na siya pero ang importante jud na imong i-plan out karon is your purpose and your vision in life.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, kay importante gid kaayo ni kay para you need to kanang check your time and your life ba. In line pa ba imong ginabuhat karon sa imong purpose or dili na. So that's how you will plan and that's how you will evaluate your life. As young as you are right now, kaya na kay ninyo ni buhaton because when I was 18 years old gibuhat na nako ni.
Ja.
So actually, ang kung unsa ko karon nasulat na nako ni siya 13 years ago.
Age reveal.
Yeah, as in nasulat na yun ako ni siya 13 years ago. That's why kung unsa akong ginabuhat karon, kanang ready na ko. Kanang kabalo ko nga, na-plan out na nako ni siya before.
And also add ko lang, guys, if nagbibigin ka pa lang or there is something in your heart na parang gusto ko din may plan, wag kayo masyadong mag-worry kasi silang dalawa, Engineer Jeremy and si Miss Desiree, meron silang mentors.
Yes.
So, hindi nyo kailangan gawin yung
Mag-isa.
ginawa nila, mag-isa.
Yes.
So, it's not really parang, ay, katakot naman gawin na ako lang isa. No, that's why there is TYG because it's gonna be a community that we will really help you.
Yeah.
Ayun, sige,
So,
go.
i-quote lang na ako na siya, every picture of success has a story behind. And wishful thinking does not produce results. So, if sige lang kag wishful thinking pero wala kay ginabuhat, wala jud na siya
Hanggang
result.
sana all na
Yes,
lang.
no. Number 16, keeping wrong friendships. Actually, pareha lang ni siya sa dati. Pero kay ganing, kabalo na ka nga.
Naana siya
Oh,
sa
ana,
imong,
good.
company.
Nana siya sa imong company, kabalo ka nga, dili na siya maayong friendship. So, dili na healthy, toxic na. So, dili, ayaw jud
I-keep gihapon.
ayaw i-keep. Pero, pwede nimo sila maging friends gyapon, pero, i-relocate
Na,
lang
learn
nimo
to
ba?
relocate.
Learn to relocate. Because, di ba, kato ganing number 15, you wanna be successful. Pero if naa ka sa mga people that don't want to be successful,
Madala ka.
madalag yun ka. So, people will come to your life to add, to subtract, to divide, and to multiply. So, dapat kanina mga people, sila ang muano sa imuha. Mu-add og value, mu-subtract og mga wrong thinking or wrong habits, and then it will divide you. Kanang naay mga people na basig mo divide lang sa imuha ba, mo break lang sa imuha. So kailangan nimo na siya i-discern, kailangan ka maging wise enough. And then fourth, dapat na adjud kay friends, dapat naa ka sa friends na kaya ka ma-multiply gani into a better person.
Wow.
So, add,
Yeah.
subtract, divide, math, ay tara na,
Math,
engineer,
oo.
dyan ko.
Algebra.
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 Yeah. And kasi ito yung kasi I experienced that before. Feel ko pag teenager ka, dapat friends mo lahat. May ganyan na
Yeah,
mentality.
oo, yeah.
Kasi para parang feel mo, cool ako kasi I have all of these friends. But actually, when you grow older, okay lang na tatlo kayo,
Yeah.
dalawa kayo. Kasi ito yung friends na talagang will really lift you up.
Yes.
Oh, it's not really the quantity, but it's the quality.
Yeah.
Friends that would really bring you up, that would really cheer you, push you, and to really bring you to the best of the best version. Yun yung na-learn ko dito sa TYG. Kasi sa TYG, magmumultiply ka talaga.
Yes.
No? Based on my experience, talaga mamumultiply ka talaga.
Yeah.
Sobrang sobra. Lahat dito,
Yung dati nasa, ano ka lang,
nasa gilid.
nasa gilid lang.
lahat po ng andito sa TYG, lahat po, hindi naman, some of them are still in the process, but some of them are also shining na.
Yes.
Diba? Like, na-discover yung talents. So, hindi talaga KJ ang
Yes, ang
TYG.
TYG.
Actually, guys, if
Yes.
you would just really commit and mag-obey ka lang talaga. Kasi sometimes may ay, ayoko muna dyan, ganyan. But actually,
Kanang bata pa ko, di sa kay ko
Oo,
magseryoso.
may mga ganyan.
Hala ka,
Pero
di
actually, wise yan na decision if you'd start early.
Oo.
Kasi kung makakabalik lang kami, sana naging mas maaga, no?
Sana yung
Oo.
ano pa, 1 year old, ano?
Diretso agad.
Kung 12 years old ka ngayon,
Yeah.
you are so privileged to hear this
Yeah,
and knowing
yeah.
that naay community na ingani because sa mo ang time before wala jud, we are really seeking, we are really looking for it. So i-grab na ninyo ni siya na chance.
Yeah. So, ayan. That's
Sige.
our 17, no?
Napay
Napay ka
17. Napay
17.
last.
Sige, go.
Ang pang-finale kani makarelate jud ang all ani.
Saan naman
So
jud
one
ni?
of our mistake as young person, mismanagement of technology.
Uy.
Tama ba?
Oy.
Tama ba no? Murag igo tatanan ani nga kanang matingala ka pag mag-study kay 1 hour murag kapuya na oy pero pag
Nagkatulog na.
pero pag mag-scroll sa FB, sa Twitter,
4
sa Instagram,
hours.
hala 4 hours
Uptik,
naman
uptik
ay,
kayo,
no?
uptik kayo.
So,
Dili gutumon.
kanang maka-TikTok daghang time. Bitaw, let's be responsible in managing our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Walay mali no nga naa kay inana na account, but use it properly. That it will give you more knowledge, not give you another perspective of life. Kay sometimes, na ako'y mga nailhan gyud na kana ganing ang ilahang time dapat within the day naka-TikTok ko tapos 'di ba actually nasad kayo ko sa TikTok one time ang good kay kanang na ako'y account sa TikTok before pero murag i-uninstall na ko kay it's so sad to see na sa TikTok murag igawas na nila ilang tibuok lawas kanang hoy unsa din ning TikTok kanang walay filter dire ana wala ni na filter
Just sila di ba kanang beginner set.
Beginner set kanang so let's, you know what TYG nganong ginaingnan mo na mo ani because your eyes are the windows
Of
to
your soul.
of your soul. So kung unsay mong ginatan-aw, it will reflect
Who you are.
who you are and it will manifest in your life. Matingala na lang ka na kanang gina-watch nimo one day buhaton na pud na nimo. Maano gyud ka ma-influence ka because of social media. Kabalo ta karon no nga ang social media ang naga-dictate na sa mga young people.
And yan yung source ng identity issues.
Yeah, identity issues kay hala, sige lang
Guwapa lagi siya. Ano? Sundugo na po.
So,
skincare.
Ganyan.
So, know who you are. I want you to be reminded, TYG, that you are unique. You don't need to compare yourself to others. Technology must help you to have more information, not to break you and not to give you identity crisis. So that's why here po sa TYG, gipenetrate na mo ang social media because we want to dominate and to plant seeds sa mga minds sa mga young people to have a better life and to have a better future. So that's how you will use social media. Dili na siya para malingaw-lingaw lang ka at pampatay sa time. So be responsible as young as you are and then kabalo ba mo isa sa reason nagasakit inyong mata. Isa sa reason nga nagasakit mo karon kay grabe makatutok sa cellphone. So grabe ang radiation. Again, be responsible sa social media and be responsible sa imong life. So kato ang 70.
Parang salamat
na,
doc din.
Yes, tips.
No? Pero,
dapat
diba?
lagi
Management na
kompleto talaga ang TYG, guys.
Gusto mo
Yes.
biology class? Basta
Ayan.
next week pwede.
Pakita namin. But I
Yes.
agree with that, Engineer Jeremy, no? Because we had parang session sa aming inset ba, we were talk about ChatGPT. Kasi isa yan siya sa nagdo-dominate ngayon sa teenager. Kaya hindi na sila gumagawa ng essay kasi gina-ChatGPT na lang.
Bright
Oo.
kayo siya.
Madami ng technology talaga. But
Yes.
what the inset taught us is that you must dominate the technology.
Yeah.
Yun talaga yung nagtatak sa akin. Hindi pwede na maging slave ka ng technology
Yes.
kasi baliktad na ngayon. Pagising sa umaga, technology. So sino
Facebook tayo,
sino bang
no?
hari ngayon? Ikaw or yung technology?
Yeah.
Nada-drug ka na. So you must be self-control. Yun talaga.
Self-control.
Self-control. And you must know the purpose of technology. And hindi mo kailangan sabayan lahat ng trend.
Yeah. Actually, isa po siguro sa reason na depressed o stress ang mga young people tungod sa social media.
Kasi, especially when you scroll, iba-iba yung nakikita mo. And it
too
will
much
really
information.
penetrate. Yeah. So
dili na
masyashock
siya
ka
helpful.
yung identity mo mag-shift. For
Yeah.
example, because this is based on my experience, as someone who's really very into Instagram before, I really experienced yung high school. Feel ko pag may 100 likes ka na, famous ka
Yes.
na.
100
totoo
likes.
talaga yan.
Yeah.
Pag madami kang followers, feel mo talaga supreme ka na. So kapag walang parang hala, ba't ang lit ng likes ko? I need
Naglo-low
to
na
do.
yung self-esteem
Parang
mo.
hala, kailangan
Wala
ko
na.
gumawa ng something para
Ah.
ma-reach ko ulit yung
Aesthetic,
100 o
dapat
yung
aesthetic.
aesthetic. Oo, that's me before and mapopoison ka talaga.
Kaya yung mga vloggers ngayon, paiba-iba na lang yung contents,
Kahit,
pabunggahay.
oo.
Pero
Kahit
wala
nonsense.
din siya content.
Yeah. So sayang ba?
So,
sayang.
oo.
So it's also, kasi pag nagsuscroll ka, for example, nakita mo anime, masyashock ka yung suot mo, gusto mo din
Pang-anime.
anime.
Yeah.
Taod-taod, nag-K-drama ka naman, K-drama na
K-drama
naman.
na
So
po.
na-confuse ka na, unsa man jud ko, kinsa man jud
Yes.
ko, because of the things that you see. So dapat, you must really be careful, hindi lang sa pag-scroll, but who you follow,
Yeah.
ano yung pinapanood mo, or
Pag
whatsoever.
TYG na lang mo, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Kaya,
Tanaw
diba?
na lang mo. Review na lang mo.
Yes,
Daghan na kay tag-series
review.
since last year. So mag-binge watch na lang mo
Yes,
sa mo
binge
ang
watch at
FB
TYG.
page.
Yeah.
Anyways, I want to acknowledge also no these 17 mistakes of young
Yes.
people. This is not
It's not
originally from us. This is from Sir Charlie
Hello, Sir
Masala,
Charlie
an
Masala, if you're
ambassador of
watching.
South Africa.
Africa.
Grabe.
Yes,
Global
ayan,
po kami,
Global ang
TYG.
ato ang topic. So it will really help us to mold our character and attitude no as young as you are ginabalik-balik yun namo ni that we really believe in the young people. Kailangan lang yun na ay matama sa mga mindset for you to experience life that is satisfying. Kanang makaingon ka ba na wala lang ka kato kaning giingon ni Ate Days ganina nga dili imong life must not be trial and error. So ayaw
that's
i-allow
right.
no nga ay i-try na ko ni ay dili na pod na basig ang pag-try nimo ana kay
Marong,
wrong
ganoon.
na gyud.
Wrong
Tuloy-tuloy
forever
na
na
sa
jud.
jackpot round.
That's why it is really important to have a mentor.
Yes.
Para dili ka ng trial and error. Dugay gani kayo imong trial and error sa imong life. Kay
So
lisod
life
jud.
is not an experiment ana si Miles Monroe.
Yes.
So, if ngayon later sa breakout session natin or baka may mga viewers tayo na parang hala natamaan ako ganyan. So just don't be parang feel mo na down ka na super.
Yeah.
It's time for you to assess yourself. So wag ka lang masyadong ma-down or mas-sad or whatsoever, but para lang kaming mga mother na mother dyan, parang mga tita na gina-correct.
Yes,
Kasi
oo.
ganyan talaga kailangan ng discipline. Kasi hindi ka man makorek if wala ding... So later, sa breakout or maybe mag-ponder ka sa self mo, it's not yet too late to revise your life. I don't know anong age niya or whatsoever, but use this opportunity to open up later if nasa physical ka or if nasa Zoom ka lang with your friends or kung saan kayo. Be open up sa mentor mo or someone who invited para ma-help ka. Kasi hindi mo man kailangan mag-isa in this
Yeah.
journey. So also, if you're a beginner, you can recap the old videos kasi na-expound nila yung first 14, right? Yung first nila na-mention. Ayan. So I think parang sakto lang.
Wow.
For 7 na. Sakto lang talaga yung ating time for today. So guys, we are already in our series. Remind ko lang why our talk runs like this, because we are having a series called Filter Generation, because we really do believe that TYGs must really rise up and we must be different, especially in this generation. You must be a distinct and hindi ka dapat sabay sa uso.
You need to stand out.
I need
not
to
fit
stand out.
in.
Yeah. That is why it's yung 17 na yon, those are the trends.
Yeah.
So we want you to be part of the filter generation, that you will be different and you will really impact in this generation.
Yeah, actually, mag-add lang ko before ta mag-end. The reason why we are teaching you this as early as now, as young as you are, because when you go to the marketplace in the future, this will really be one of the characters na tan-awon sa
bring.
inyo ha, sa inyong managers, sa inyong mga boss, and it's so great to see na ato ang young people na ma-discipline na sila as early as now,
Yeah.
so that pag abot sa marketplace kabalo na sila silang buhaton.
Madali na kayo mag-impact.
Yes, dali na lang pud kayo sila i-correct, dali na lang attitude. Walay problem ang boss sa imuha in the future. Or in the future you have your own business, so you know how to handle the pressures in life, you know how to handle the ups and the lows of your life. So, kato siya.
Actually, madami pa. No,
Yes.
these are just parang second step pa lang
Yeah.
ito. Marami pa kaming we can share to you on how really to be a filtered generation or a filtered youth, no, na ikaw talaga yung magiging distinction. And of course, gusto mo namin i-discuss lahat ngayon, but meron po tayong time limit and it's already 7:02. But within those 30 minutes, I hope you guys were able to get a lot of insights. Hopefully, nasulat nyo or nakaponder kayo. You can assess yourself, you can journal yourself, and hopefully, hindi nyo lang siya itapon sa kabilang ear at ilabas, nor really have this moment to really assess yourself. Ayan. But before we end, no, I would just like to plug our social media accounts. We are in Facebook, in Instagram, and in YouTube as well. So you may like, and TikTok, 'di ba? So hindi po kami sasayaw-sayaw sa TikTok, but may mga inspirational po kami that you can use and you can share to your friends as well. Again, TYG will really be distinct and different in social media. So guys, like and share sa mga physical viewers. You can share this video. Ma-replay naman nila ito. And also ating TYG merch is still going. Tama ba? It is still going, guys. So, may form naman siguro dyan. Ayan, na-flash na ng media. Ayan. Kuya Louie, our birthday boy. Pakita ka daw sa camera. Ayan. Dito ka, Kuya Louie. Di ka makita. Ayan. Ito po ang mod. Ito po ang katabi ko. Ayan. Kuya Louie. Ayan. Birthday boy. Ayan. TYG shirt. Rise up. Open to all po yan. And you can buy white and black. So, patuloy pa rin po ating merch. And also, it's a good reminder to every day you can be victorious and you can also rise up. So, I think that's all. Di ko na pa ipapa-expound. So, thank you so much, guys, for another fun and very meaty na session, especially with our guest today. We have Miss Desiree and Engineer Jeremy. Thank you so much for your time and for sharing your life experiences to us. So that's all, guys, and see you next week. Ayan, may pakita pa na video.